Hey guys, I'm Gabe and this is
Brooke.
and we're going to teach you about Minecraft. Now, Minecraft's a really fun game that we can all play together in our family. We have a couple different computers and we have a LAN, so all the computers are connected together via Wi-Fi. And we have a lot of fun Minecraft building games, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we have sometimes other friends come over and we can have these cool house building parties, or we do these survival games. And Minecraft has a lot of different modes it can be in. So you can have survival mode, which you're actually having to, mine, rocks and stuff like that, and trees and build things, get food and things like that. We also have creative mode, which you can build pretty much anything you ever want. And Brooks built some really neat, it was like a bunny house you built, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can build a bunny house, apparently gardens. She's got way too many of those. What are those panda bears? She's got like 50 panda bears in a poor pen.
Mm-hmm.
I keep trying to ask her to let them out, but she keeps putting more in there. I don't know, weird.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, today let's talk about installing Minecraft. Now, there's a bunch of different versions of Minecraft. So people can play Minecraft on a PC, a Macintosh, Linux machine, game, any kind of game console. There's a bunch of phones. You can play it on a lot of things, but the key version that we primarily play in is the Java version of Minecraft, and that is, the original version of Minecraft, and it allows you to do these cool mods, right? Brooke likes mods. What's that one you wanted?
The puppy version.
Oh, there's a puppy version, so you can get, like, I think it's a wolf, right? You can tame your wolf. There's a furniture mod. There's all kinds of really neat things you can do with these mods. And there's all kinds of different servers you can play on as well. So we actually host our own servers, so we can play with friends across the U.S. or across the world, really. And then there's all kinds of other ones, like there's Pokefinds. There's like a Pokemon version that you can play with. Oh, anyways, all these things. But primarily, you want to be able to install the Java version of Minecraft so you can play on all those cool servers and do these things. Now, you can do it on the other one as well, but the Java version is what we're focusing on. So first thing we need to do is head over here and go to the Minecraft site at minecraft.net. Here it is. And if you're in the United States, it'll say like English over here, US. So click on Get Minecraft. And then once we have Minecraft installed or clicked on that, we want to click on this very first one. So we're playing on a computer. We want the PC Java edition. There's also a Bedrock edition, which is this PC Windows 10 version. Don't click on that one. It's pretty much the same, right? We've played on it a few times. And we actually, when we first started playing Minecraft, we made the mistake of clicking on the one that happened to be in the start menu of your computer. So, they're trying to trick you a little bit to get the Windows version of it, which is not nearly as cool as the Java version. So we need the Java version. And it's also available via Mac as well. Now, there's also the mobile and iOS and all these other consoles you can play on. But if you want to play with all the neat stuff, click on the Java edition. So here it is. $26.95. So now what we need is two things. We need an email address, and we also need a credit card. So you got to go do some chores, probably. Talk your parents or a friend who's got a credit card into giving you their credit card so that we can play.
I only have one.
You got a credit card?
No, I have.
Did you steal my credit card?
No.
Oh, you already got the game?
Yes.
Yeah, because I paid for it. Anyways, I've been working hard for that $26.95. But anyways, the $26.95, it's pretty low cost in comparison to how much time you can have in a fun gaming environment with your friends and family. All right, so click on Buy Minecraft. Pretty straightforward. And now you need to create an account. So let's go ahead, and we actually have a little email account we kind of created here for signing up for this, and it's our Noob School account. And as far as the password, I've got one here, so let's just go ahead and drop that one in here to create our account. All right, now you got to choose your birthday. What's your birthday again? Oh, okay, never mind. We don't put real birthdays. We'll just come up with a fake birthday for right now. So
What? That is not my real birthday.
Well, maybe these people might want to send you a birthday present.
No.
Okay, let's put yours in.
Mine's 9.
Okay. Anyways,
Yeah.
all right. I tell you, because it's I'll put mine in there. My birthday is the 17th. So here's the 17th and December, and I was born in what is it? I think I'm like 30 now. No, just kidding.
No.
I'm actually 76. All right. So create your account. And it should go through this thing, and then you're going to get a verification code. So this is the email address that I put in there, which we set up for just installing this Minecraft version. And I should get a verification code that's sent to that account. So I'm going to head over here and look at my other screen real quick and take a look at my email account. So sometimes it takes a few minutes for that to show up. So give it a minute or so. But while we're waiting for that email to show up, let's talk a little bit more about Minecraft. So, there's bad guys in Minecraft, right? Which were like creepers. There's like, what are those skeleton guys?
Skeletons?
Skeletons, creepers. Those are, you guys got to stay away from, right? So the first thing you really need to do when you start playing like survival is you have to build the house.
Yeah.
And you need like a bed, right?
Yeah.
So
to
if
escape the night, so no mobs can spawn.
Oh, so yeah. So these mobs at night will try to come get you. So you have the first thing you got to do in creative mode, not creative mode, in survival mode, is you got to go and you get into there and you have to start mining some things to build the house, right? So get some wood, rock, and things like that, and then we have to go in and start building a house and put a bed. And then if you happen to die in the game, you respawn in your bed. Wake up in the morning. Hey. All right. Anyways, here's our video, or not a video. Here is our code that just shows up. So here's our code. Let's go ahead and just paste our code in and verify.
And you need sheep to make a bed.
Oh, we need sheets. Yeah. And we're gonna be doing a bunch more videos on how to do all those things in the future. But for right now, let's just do, right now we're just doing the video for installing Minecraft. All right, so now that we've got it in here, now we need to create a profile. So I'm going to make one called Noob School. Uh-oh. Noob School 1 is going to be our profile name because I think we already have one. And then we're in the US. And then we need a credit card number. So I'm going to go ahead and put my credit card number in here. Don't look. Now it looks like that. So it gave us a confirmation code, and we've got a little receipt sent to our address, and now we can download it for Windows. All right. So right over here, I have a folder that in my downloads folder, and I'm just going to go ahead and save it into the Minecraft folder I have there. Click on that one. It's going to download, and then open that up. And we should have a window that looks a lot like this one right here. So let's go ahead
with a creeper and a skeleton.
Yeah, there they are. So we're going to go ahead and launch that. We're going to allow it to install it on our machine here and click on install. And now we have something that looks like this, right? Now we have to sign in to Minecraft. And we already have so you got to use your email address again to sign into that. And you put your secret password in there. And I think we're ready to play, right? So log in, and now you have something that looks like this, right? So yeah, we're at the version of 1.16.2, right? That's the latest version. But if you want to play different versions, you can go over here to installations. You can see the different versions you have, right? And you can always click on new. So sometimes if you're playing like in a server that has it's like an older version of a server, and you need to actually create a new version, you can always just come over here and then choose the version of Minecraft you want to install, so that yours matches that thing, right? And you play on like a ton of different versions, right? Sometimes we play on 14 or 15, depending on which server we might be jumping into. So you can easily grab whichever version you want. So like, for instance, let's try to do a release of 15.2, and we'll call this one like new 15.2.
And you can also see your new houses, like your old houses.
Yeah, you can always upgrade a world if you wanted to. So here's a version, and then you can make a specific game directory if you'd like to, but you don't really need to. Click on Create, and now you have that version of Minecraft you can play. And then each time you play with something, so let's play the latest release. Click on Play. It's going to go ahead and download this thing for our machine. And then the first thing we need to do is create a world, right? And so you have blank world. Now you can also play on other servers. And we'll be covering that later, but the first thing...
You can also get a skin.
Yeah. You create your skins, and we're going to be doing a video on skins too, right? So we're doing a skin video, and we also have to show them how to create like their first house, right? So we do a house video too.
A mansion or a dirt house.
Yeah, you can start with a dirt house. But Brooke's got some pretty nice mansions you've created, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So... all right, so this is, sometimes when you first install Minecraft, it does take a little bit of time to download the latest version, but normally when you start it up, it loads pretty quick. All right, and this is just your most basic version of Minecraft that's installed. But there's also all types of different mods. There's different versions that have different plugins you can do, and again, you can play not only on this version, but you can also play on different servers that have all kinds of. You have like one on Disneyland.
Yeah.
You want a Disneyland one. You have one that's what do they call it, like Bed Wars?
Yeah.
Pokemon
Pokemon
Bed Wars. That one's pretty fun. And people from all around the world are playing on those servers, and you know you're trying to defend your bed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or your little base from the bad guys, I guess the other guys on the game. And what else do you play on? How many different worlds do you have now? Probably like
eight or 7.
You have 7 worlds?
8 or 7.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, well, it looks like our world's almost ready. So here it is.
Almost.
Oh, here comes the green.
Come on.
All right, so now we've done that. So we're gonna do another video on creating a world, right? So check back soon for the next video on starting from this point, creating a new world, and getting started with it. Thanks for watching.